As you may know, I'm currently redesigning the GitLab design system known as Pajamas. And since I am the Michael Jordan of automation, or the Michelle Obama, I've created Design System Agent, a dedicated agent in order to automate the creation of elements within Figma for designers. It's in early stages, but I'll need to copy the content from the accordion page, which I finished in a previous video. The next step is to copy the content from the accordion page onto the other pages, effectively using it as a template. I'll write my prompt telling it to copy the content from the accordion page to all of the following pages, stopping at tree, which is the last component page. It's listing the pages, going to the page, selecting the content, copying it, going to the alert page, making sure there's nothing there, and pasting the content. And since this is running in the browser, I can open up my Figma app and continue working in a separate instance. I'll go ahead and time-lapse the rest. Great, it's all done. Next, I'll go ahead and update the templates to have the proper content with my Design Systems agent. And the best part, this doesn't involve the Figma API or the Figma plugin REST API, so you won't run into the API limits if you use this a lot. Follow along for more. Thanks.